Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sachin, consultant pulmonologist and critical care specialist at Fortis Hospital, Cunningham. I am here today to discuss with you about quitting smoking. People do come to me and ask me, give me some tips to help me quit smoking. Smoking is such a difficult entity once you are addicted. It's very hard to quit. So I am here to give you simple tips to make sure that you quit smoking in a couple of months. First and foremost, quitting smoking is not hard as you believe it to be. So there are a lot of measures that you can take on your own and also take help from your professional specialist to make you help quit the smoking. First and foremost is the behavioral therapy. Make your mindset, don't try to stop smoking at a time in a single go. It doesn't work like that. So your body has been adapted to the ingredients of the smoking. So quitting smoking is a gradual process, step-by-step process. So reduce the number of cigarettes that you're smoking in a day. For example, if you're smoking 10 cigarettes in a day, make it 5 cigarettes in a day for maybe a couple of months, and then you can reduce it gradually. The second step is practicing nicotine replacement therapy. So off the label counters nowadays we are getting this nicotine replacement gums or lozenges. Take help of these gums, but in a professional manner. So the gums are available at specific dosages like 2 mg and 4 mg. So depending upon how many cigarettes you are smoking in a day, your doctor will be able to prescribe you a proper nicotine replacement therapy. So you take help of these to help you make quitting. Third step is the medications, the drugs that are available nowadays to help to reduce your craving for nicotine and also reduce your craving for smoking. So take help from your professional specialist and make use of all these ingredients to help you quit smoking. And most important, don't undergo peer pressures. Peer pressure is an important entity to help you, to continue smoking. So avoid this peer pressure. Go into your own meditation or your own psychological therapies, which will help you to quit smoking. So make a pledge and try to quit smoking in the next 3 to 6 months, and encourage others around you to also quit smoking. Thank you.